Panda, and today we are going to learn a new library and it's called as Turtle. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, open ideally in your system. Okay, I have ideally 3.9. Okay, so let's talk about what is Turtle library. So you may have come in Python uh, in order to make games, okay, or sometimes some GUI applications. There are lots of libraries to perform games and GUI applications in Python. Okay, so Turtle is one of those. Turtle is for basic levels. Okay, so if I talk about what is complete Turtle is, let's Google it and understand what is Turtle, and let's see uh, what Google show you what is Turtle library in Python. Okay, not functions. We'll learn them later. First of all, our only goal is to know what is Turtle. So Turtle is basically, let me open somewhere. Okay. Okay, there is no, okay. We'll open dos.python.org. So python.org is a main organization website where you can get a lot of DOS and everything about Python. Okay, so Turtle Graphics is a popular way of introducing programming to kids. So yeah, this video is completely for kids, and this complete video is sharing to the for the kids. Okay, so so let's start. Okay, first of all, you don't need to install any library in order to start performing Turtle. Okay, so let me check everything fine. Wait, so let's open new file. Okay, okay, great. We have started our new file and with a new library. Great. So first of all, import Turtle. So you don't need to install any library in order to perform this complete scenario. Okay. Okay. So we will import Turtle as T. Great. Let's start it. Okay. So we have imported Turtle as T. T means whenever we are going to use Turtle function, Turtle library function, we can directly use T dot function name. Okay. That's why as T is important. So if you have know little bit about libraries, you have already know it. Okay. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, our first goal is to make screen. Okay. So we will create a screen. So we will create a screen. Okay, create a screen. Okay. So let's start it. First of all, let's write it as a window. Okay. So we call our screen as a window variable. Okay. T dot screen is a function. Screen is a function where S should be capital. Okay. Make sure S should be capital in screen. So it will give us a screen, and after that we will have to perform something like what should be its busy color. So let's have busy color as a let's have our busy color as a green. Okay, or black. Let's have a busy color as a black, and it should also have a title also, right? So what is its title? Let's check out. Title should be, okay, title should be, what is title? Title is when you run a screen, here at this point you see some title. Okay, so we will write its title. What is title? Title is, let's have our first app, right? It's the title. Okay, so we have completed our screen. Okay, now what's next? The next thing is we have to start making our first turtle. Let's have our first turtle. Okay, so we have our first turtle. So To start, in order to start, first of all, let's have a name of our own turtle. Let's call itself let's call itself cute. Okay, let's call itself cute. We have a name. I don't know what should we name it. Let's call it Guy. This would good look good. Okay, so we have a turtle. We have name is Guy, and let's make a turtle. So first of all, you have to make a turtle. So we have make a turtle. So by using turtle function, this is function. Okay, so by using turtle function, and we call it t dot turtle, we made a turtle. Its name is Guy. Okay, and now it's our job to give it some color. Let's give its color as a green. Okay, so we have a black screen, complete black screen, and it is having a green color. Okay, after that we have pen size. So what is pen size? Okay, first of all, what pen size does is that whenever you move your turtle or you move your Guy or whatever you cursor you have, you can have you can have different shape. You can have circle, you have turtle, there you have arrow. By default you have an arrow. So whenever you move that, there is a line. They made a line, and that line, what's the width, or what is the width of the line? What should be the width of the line is called as a pen size. So we can also have name as our turtle as a pen. That's the pen size. What's the pen size? Width of the pen. You can see that. Okay. Okay. Now let's have a shape. So let's have a shape of turtle. Okay. You can read them about more about on websites like okay, python.org. Let's Google them. Turtle Python library Python. So you can find .python. You can learn more about this from beginning to higher level. You can have more about about turtle. You can read from here. Okay. So we have different aspects. So let's get back. Okay. Get back to our last program. Guy.shape. We have taken a shape as turtle. Now we have turtle. Let's and when you complete, okay. So just done. Write a function name as done. So when you are completing with making loops or anything by moving or end up playing your game, just write t.done. That means you are done. Now let's run it. For running it, you need to save it first. Okay, let's save it on desktop. Name it is as a like turtle game. Let's have a name as turtle game. .py, because we are in ideally we need not to because save as type is already as a Python file, so we do not need to write .py at the end of the file. But suppose that you are doing in any other program, then after you have save as type as text file, then you need to write .py. Okay, so that's it. You can select .python and you can just, if you want, you can remove. If you don't, that's okay. Okay, let's save it, and here we go for output. Yeah, we have a black screen. We have a turtle in the mid, and it is a screen. Okay, so till now we have made our screen, and you have like that. You can see the title of the screen, our first app. So we have made screen. We have given it black color, background color. We have set its title. You can make it more things like width and add. You can add more things like width and the height. Okay, and we have something called turtle. Okay, so we have turtle, its queen, its pen size. You don't see the pen size right now because there is no mark on the screen because we don't move our turtle anywhere. So, and we can say the shape also. So that's it. That's for starting purpose. Let's move our turtle. Okay, let's move our guy. So let's move our guy. So For moving our guy, we have almost two basic functions for moving, and for forward, you have a function called forward. Okay. For moving backward, you have a function called back or backward. It's good to write full name. And to rotate, when you just rotate yourself, like when you want to go left side, you rotate yourself left side. You want to go on right side, you rotate yourself right side. So we have left rotate, only left function which rotates itself on behalf of degree, and the right same do the same thing. You have to write degree. Okay, how much degree you want to move? 90 degree. It means you just want to move your right side. If you choose right function and pass 90 degree, it means you want to move right side with 90 degree angle. Okay, so that by giving left and right degree, you can move in a circle also if you want. Okay, that's up to for advanced purpose. First of all, in this class we will talk about basics of uh, turtle library. Okay, so let's move forward. Let's move our turtle forward. Okay, so let's have guy dot forward. Okay, forward, and we want to move him 100 pixels. So you can clearly have this is I have written it 100 pixels. It is 10 pixels. Okay, so make sure every digit you give is in pixels. So you have a complete screen, and screen basic parameter is pixels. Okay, so we have moved our guy forward 100 pixels. Let's save this by pressing Ctrl and S, or just show you a output. Okay, so we have the screen, our turtle move 10 pixels ahead. Okay, you can clearly see this is the pen size I am talking about. This is 10. We have a 10 pixel pen size. That's why the width of the line is 10 pixels. You can just minimize it or maximize it as if you want. Okay, so let's have it. So we have our turtle move 100 pixels ahead. Okay, that's it. That's till now, and then let's move further. So our turtle move, guy move forward 100 pixels. Okay, guy dot pen size is 10 pixels. So let's decrease it up to 5, and so the pen size will be 5. Now what? Let's rotate it. Okay, so after moving forward almost 50, 100 pixels, let's move it to 90 degree left side. Okay, so let's write left, pass 90 degree, its angle. Okay, so it moves left 90 degree. So now our turtle is when we not given this, not using our left function, our turtle is facing right side. But when we write left 90 degree, it means it will face upper side, right? Yeah. Now it will move look like a front pipe. Let's see what it means. What I'm saying, what it means. Okay, you can clearly see it moved 100 pixels, and then it will face forward, right? Yeah, it will face forward side. It means by default it starts from right side, and then it moves forward right side, and then when you use left 90, it moves forward, like it moves upside. Okay, upside. That's it. Let's move ahead. Let's move our turtle forward again. Now it's time we will move him 100 pixels. Okay, save it. If you want to change the color, let's change the color. Okay, before moving, let's change the color of our turtle. Okay, so guy dot color should be from green. Let's make it blue. Okay, wait, let's run it and let's see what change we have done. Okay, you can clearly see it's moved 100 pixels forward, then it rotates 90 degree left, and then it takes 100 pixels forward with changing the color. It changed color from green to blue. So you can clearly see that as you write each and every line, it will interpret or run one line one by one. Like it will run this line, make a change, it will run this line, make a change, and you can clearly see, like one thing you can clearly see, understand like why someone call it interpreter language. This means running line by line. When you run it, you can clearly see that this will move. When you run it, you can see that moving. Okay, so it means that it's running by line by line. Okay, it will not doesn't show one at a once. Okay, so this is, we have moved our guy forward, we have moved rotate our guy left 90 degrees, and then we change the color of blue, then we move forward. Let's do it again. Okay, we try to make a, suppose a square. Okay, by using this forward and left function. Okay, so let's move left again 90 degrees, and let's change the color. Okay, copy that, paste here, change color from blue to green. Okay, then move forward, then again let's rotate it. Okay, and then move forward. Okay, wait. So let's change its color from green to blue. Now you can see our our guy, which is turtle, is start from forward, right side, move forward, then it rotate left, become upward side, then color become blue, it will forward 100, then again take left turn, again move forward, again take left turn, move forward. Okay, so hope it will run perfectly and it will make the square on our screen. Yeah, you can clearly see it is moving complete in a square. Okay, can we make it more easy? Yes, we can make it more easy. We don't need to write, if you see that, you can clearly see that, we have written 3 commands again and again and again and again up till 4 times. So let's make it easy. Let's do not change the color every time. Okay. Okay. So let's remove these lines. You can clearly see we have run 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and again if you want to rotate, it is completely a 4 times. So you run same command almost 4 times. So why we don't use loops here? That's why we have loop, right? We do not need to write again and again and again. Let's delete everything and we have only we have only 2 lines. Okay, now let's run a loop for I in. Now we need to run it for 4 times. Okay, great. So let's backspace, enter to make it completely indent. Then it doesn't show any error. Happen. Okay, we have a beautiful square in front of us. So that's it. We have a square. Okay, so we have created a square using a loop by using. Let's make little bit more complex. Okay, let's play with it. Okay, so by using that, let's write a function for making, starting from like 50 pixels. Move forward 50 pixels, then make a square, then move almost 30 pixels. Okay, 50 pixels, then 100 pixels, then 150 pixels, make a square consequently square. Okay, so let's make it. Okay, let me show you how it will look like. First of all, okay, let's make a paint, open a paint. Okay, we have paint. Let me move the guidelines. Okay, so what I try to make is it will look like something this. It will, sorry. Okay, my bad. it will move like this. Sorry, again. Okay, forget it. I'm too bad at Paint. Okay, okay. It moves forward 50 times, then it will move upside. Try to make it again. Good. Then make it a square. Okay. Then move forward 50 pixels. Then like this, and then like this, then like this. We try to make this something like this. Okay. More beautiful, right? Because I'm too bad at painting. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry for that. But yeah, let's make this. Okay. So how can we make this? By using loop. So what we need to perform? First of all, we need to change these values, right? First of all, we want to move forward 50 times. Then suppose that let's have 60 times. Then suppose we have 70 times or 80 times, then 90 times, 100 times, whatever we want. Okay? Starting from 50 until we have to run a loop for a much greater one. Okay. So can we do, because we know that this complete code, this 3-line code can make a square for us, right? So let's do whatever we write this value. Okay. Suppose that we have a x variable. Okay. So when x value is 50, it have a 50 side value. Side value is 50, and it has a square. And then when we increase its value, it becomes 60. It will have a square with a 60 side, 60 pixel size. Okay. And when it becomes 70, it becomes a 70 with pixel size. So as we increase the value of x, it will increase the value of pixel size of a side. So why not we let's make a loop from, let's have a x variable, okay, where x vary from 50 to 100. Okay, great. So in range, you may get my point. We start from, suppose that we have a 50 point, okay, and we have to move till 100. Okay, so from 50, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, because we have written 100, 100 is not included. We need that, right? For now, it will run from 50 to 100, but when we have a step size with 10, now our loop will run, our x value will be 50, then 60, then 70, then 80, then 90, right? Okay, great. So now you can understand we need to make it indent wise. How can we make it indent? First thing is to select it all, go on format button, format side, click on indent region. It will make you indent, or you just can make it like something, like, first of all, let's have a press Control Z to make in previous stage. Okay. And then select it, press tab. It also makes it a indent. Okay. Or you can also make, let's have it in back previous position. Click on backspace, go on there, press enter to make indent. Now come back to below line, click here, press enter, and do the same for everything. Everything will be indented one by one. We have a program, right? It's so easy. Save it, try to run it, and let's see what happens. Okay, we have a beautiful, oh wow, amazing. Nice. We have a nice code. Okay. So this is it. Let's start with 10 pixels. What you say? Okay. Let's start with 10 pixels. No, because okay, we can start with 10 pixels because pen size is 5. So you can have it. Let's see what happens and decide if we need to change the value or not. Okay. So you can beautifully make something like this. Now our turtle moving so fast, so much fast. Okay. And we can have our we have a function named as speed, so we can control the speed of our turtle. I think speed is by default is 1 pixel. Let's check out what it means. Let's go on Google because I don't know too much what speed function performs. So turtle, let's search on turtle start with me. Okay, so because I don't know what its value. Turtle is okay. Let's search. Let's see what happened. Turtle speed lies between 0 to 10. If input is number greater than 10 or smaller than 0.5, its speed is set to 0. Okay, following way fastest 0, fast 10. I don't know what that means. Let's make it. Okay, let's have it. Okay, let's perform our task. Let's try to speed as a the basic default value. Yeah, it is 1 pixel at a second, I think. Okay, we can clearly see it is running one by one, and you can clearly see like you have a turtle which is moving with one speed and making a beautiful shape with it. You can perform different types. Let's have one more shape because I want to make our turtle rotate and continue to rotate. Okay, I want to make a function program to so that our turtle become continuously rotating its own origin. Okay, so let's have it. Okay, so how will perform it? Do it a favor, just indent everything. Okay, how will you indent for everything? Just write triple C. That means now it is completely indented. We have multi-line indentation. Now I want to function because we want to rotate it again and again at same point. Okay, we want to rotate our turtle at the same point, right? So we need to use function like uh, left side, let's move left side and 90 degrees. Okay. Oh, I think it will be 190 degrees. I don't know. Let's have it. Let's see. And let's have a for I in range 10 times. Okay. Let's see what happened because I don't know what it will show it. Okay. Let's save it, run it. So we have different set of, I'm still playing. So we can clearly see our turtle is rotating at a same axis again and again and again. Okay, so that's it. That is it, and I think that's it. So this is basic turtle class. We have made some functions, we have performed some tasks, and we can also make a circle out of it as we make a square, and we need to change left. Okay, as soon as you make change in let's have it, let's change it, let's see what happened. Okay, last row. Okay, I promise last, it's completely last row now. Okay, because I want to play and I have been fun with using it. Okay, so let's try to make circle. Become successful or not, I don't know. I just try to make it. Okay, so guys, dot forward, let's have x. Okay, so we rotate x times. Let's see what happens. I don't know how it performs. Okay, I think it is going in a circle. It's awesome, right? But too bad, right? It will move 10 degrees forward and then rotate. So I think we should make forward as a like we make forward 1 pixel and left 1 degree. So I think that makes sense. Okay. So and we should start from 1 to 100. Sorry, 180 because these are 180 degrees. So let's choose. Okay. Let's have it. Let's try and increase our speed. Okay. So let's have 5 pixels. Able to make a circle. Okay, we are it's easy to make a circle and become successful. I'm so glad. Okay, it is continuous start rotating and making it worth it. Okay, if you pay a little bit attention, you can clearly see that it is making a circle bigger and bigger every time. So yeah, I think it will now it will changing shape. It will change in shape. Okay, okay, that's it. That's it for the today's live class, and yeah, we have a bunch of errors. This is some warning. Don't go for it. Okay, because it's still our turtle is still running and we close it forcefully. That's why it's giving an error. So that's it for the class, and I hope you love it. And go on, check out dos.python.org, 3 Python library on Turtle. Okay, so learn it. And I come with this complete tutorial, and hopefully I will make a series on it. Okay, give your opinion, and we have a series on it. Hopefully, thank you.